Hi guys, in this video, how to make money from cryptocurrency. This method is 100% for beginners. But guys, make sure not to skip any step in this video, because if you do, then there might be a high chance that you might miss out on an important step. App number 1, we have nicehash.com. Nicehash is basically a mining website. You can connect your GPU and CPU and start earning bitcoins. You can see here on the Nicehash exchange. You can trade more than 50 cryptocurrencies and make money from now. App number 2 is Cryptex. So guys, Cryptex mines cryptocurrency and pays you bitcoins or real world money, be it dollars or any other currency. So guys, you can see that you can withdraw bitcoins or send money directly to a bank card. The minimum withdrawal amount is just $0.5. So guys, how do you get started? You simply download the app. Cryptex will test your PC's performance and estimate expected earnings. After downloaded, create an account on Cryptex. After signing up, you will have full access to your account. After sign up, Cryptex is running in the background. And you will start earning money the very same day you start mining. And you can get paid, and you can start earning money. How much money you can make from Cryptex? You can make $95 every single month. If you have a good gaming PC, you can make $615 per month. If you have mining rig, you can make $13,000+ per month. If you have mining farm, welcome to our channel, where we teach you how to make money online. The simplest way, make sure to subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, just leave a comment down below. Now let's get started. App number 3 is mine.club. Basically, this is amazing mining software. And now, how to become a miner. Register in your account. They offer new users 3 days of free mining on Antminer S19 as a gift for the first purchase. I want you to just simply buy a membership. Or simply use data for a program to share with your friends and family and make money from that. App number 4 is honeyminer.com. Now guys, honeyminer.com is similar to Cryptex. Both of these softwares do some work. Honeyminer makes mining and earning money simple for anyone with a computer. Honeyminer gives anyone easy access to sophisticated mining software. Imagine earning meaningful passive income just by having your computer turned on, all while taking part in the blockchain revolution. Downloading Honeyminer takes less than 1 minute and only requires a valid email address. Honeyminer's proprietary algorithm will scan through dozens of cryptocurrencies to identify the most profitable coins to mine at any given time. All mined coins will be automatically converted to Bitcoin, and your balance will increase daily. You can keep it as an investment or sell it for cash anytime you want. You can see the potential of this app. This app works on both operating system Mac and Windows. App number 5 is hashing24.com. What is it and how does it work? Hashing24 is the easiest and most convenient way to mine digital currency. Digital currencies introduced new financial tools, and their value has grown tremendously over the last few years. There's never been a better time to join this billion-dollar industry. In this app, you can start mining by doing 3 easy steps. Step number 1. Create an account. Don't worry, it will take only a few minutes to complete registration. Step number 2. Choose your plan. Simply select your power plan and pay for it. Step number 3. Receive cryptocurrency. Now you're all set up and ready to collect your freshly baked coins. Hashing24 was made by professionals for individuals who want to get involved in cryptocurrency mining. Why should you trust and work with this app? They provide stable hash power and 100% uptime. And mining with Bitfury, the industry leader. And instant deposit of coins to your account. Or legit mining, all coins are new. And maximum efficiency with high-end equipment. They provide stable hash power and 100% uptime. And mining with Bitfury, the industry leader. And instant deposit of coins to your account. Or legit mining, all coins are new. And maximum efficiency with high-end equipment. And now, if you want to earn money from YouTube without making a video, check the first link in the description box below. You can earn passive income from YouTube. So click the first link below and watch that video. Thanks a lot for watching, and be sure to like notification to drop for another subscription so you don't miss any new material. As always, I'll see you in the next few videos.